10 times to retire. If I told you you could do something just 10 times in your life and you could retire, would you do it? Let's look at a 10 times to retire scenario. If you were to buy, say, a $250,000 or $200,000 house for, say, $50,000 and rented it for $2,100 a month, generating just over $25,000 residual income every year, what if you did this 10 times? That $25,000 annual income would turn into $250,000. Your $50,000 investment would have a return on investment, or an ROI, of under 24 months. Could you retire on a $250,000 a year income and $2 to $3 million in equity? I created Foreclosure Crash Course to show people how to find and buy foreclosures cheap. I will not promise that you're going to be driving a Lambo tomorrow or closing 40 deals by next month. To be honest, that sounds exaggerated and a bit exhausting to me. Once you know how to play the game, winning becomes easy, but it's up to you to decide to play.